We are Subway Energy Limited, located here in Nigeria. And this particular branch of Stanbic Bank, we are running an installation that will take care of the entire building, the entire power need of this particular branch of Stanbic Bank. Up on top of the roof, we are having about 144 solar panels, each rated 470 watts. It is what will deliver power DC for the purpose of charging this solar battery you are having here. We are having about 24 solar panels, solar battery here that will store the DC, that will be converted to AC, that will deliver power to this bank. If you look at here, we are having three quattro inverter, and we are having one Phoenix inverter here. We have three Fronius inverter here. This particular brand is Fronius Simo. It is what will convert the DC that we are having to AC that will power the entire load of this particular bank. If you are interested in our training, you can join us online or offline. You can check us up in the number. You can contact any of the admin of this group. You can see this installation. We are on the 5th day. This is our power room, the battery bank, the DC box, the AC box, the PHCN, the critical inverter, the Fronius inverters, and the quattro inverters. Welcome.